As of my knowledge, the most watched types of videos on YouTube vary based on individual preferences and trends. However, some popular categories on YouTube include entertainment. This category includes a wide range of content, such as music videos, movie trailers, funny videos, vlogs, comedy sketches, and web series. Music. YouTube is a major platform for music consumption, with official music videos, lyric videos, live performances, and covers being highly popular. Gaming. Videos related to gaming, such as gameplays, walkthroughs, reviews, and eSports content, have a significant viewership on YouTube. Tutorials and how-to guides. YouTube is a valuable resource for learning new skills, with tutorial videos covering a vast array of topics like cooking, crafts, beauty, technology, and DIY projects. Education. Many educational channels on YouTube provide informative content, including science, history, mathematics, language learning, and personal development. Product reviews. People often turn to YouTube for reviews and demonstrations of various products, including gadgets, electronics, beauty products, and more. Travel and adventure. Travel vlogs, destination guides, and adventure videos showcasing different places and cultures are popular among viewers. Fashion and lifestyle. Fashion hauls, style tips, makeup tutorials, and lifestyle content are frequently watched on YouTube. It's important to note that these preferences may have evolved since my last update. YouTube trends can change rapidly, and new categories of content may have gained popularity in recent times.